welcome back to Therapy Cook. If you love movie night snacks but hate what they do to your waistline, I've got you covered. Today, I'm showing you 3 homemade healthy chips, and the third one is the best. At the end, I'll tell you exactly what each one tastes like. I'm Lily, and these are the kinds of recipes I make here on this channel. I eat healthy, I stay in shape, and I never feel like I'm missing out. You can trust me on this one. Alright, let's keep it simple. Let's start with the first one. How did these get so crispy? Separate the egg whites from the yolks. Make sure no yolk gets in there or it'll give the chips an eggy smell. Whip the egg whites until they hold stiff peaks. Spoon them onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, just like I'm doing here. What would you top yours with? I like adding a little parmesan and a sprinkle of oregano. Bake them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 14 minutes. Oh wow! Let's see if they're golden on the bottom too. Yup, perfect! Well, let these cool down, then move on to the next one. Check this out. For this one, you'll need to slice a potato that's about the same thickness from end to end using a mandolin, just like this. Now, drop all the slices into ice water and let them sit for 5 minutes. Then boil them for 2 minutes. Pour the boiling water over them right away. We're giving them a quick shock. Lay them out on a paper towel. Then place another paper towel on to soak up the moisture. Flip them over onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Add a little salt. Bake them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 17 minutes. I seriously can't wait. And with the high protein dip you'll see at the end, these are absolutely unbeatable. The third one is my favorite. Just look at these. I cook the chickpeas until they're nice and soft. Add them to a food processor. Just a little oil. We're trying to keep these healthy. Remember? Salt, black pepper, paprika. Add a little water, blend it up. I'll leave a link to this compact, powerful food processor down below. If it hasn't turned into a smooth paste yet, add a little more water and blend again. There we go. Now use a spoon to shape them like this. Super easy. Bake them in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. I'll tell you what they taste like at the end. For now, let's let them cool. Oh, and I'll add this recipe to my snacks and salads playlist. The link is down below. Want to make a high protein dip? Protein yogurt, vegetable oil, juices half a fresh lemon, grate 1 small pickle into it. Grate in as much pickled garlic as you like. Black pepper, salt, and that's it. It tastes surprisingly good. Since you've made it this far, let me share a little trick that can actually help you eat less. If you want to feel full sooner, eat your eyes first. What do I mean by that? Plate your food nicely before you eat it. You'll be surprised what the difference it makes. I'll share more little tips like this in my next videos. And here's the dip. Alright, let's see how they turned out. Quick pause. On this channel, I share 2 kinds of recipes. Some are completely healthy and others are healthier versions of originals. If you want to enjoy your food and stay in shape, hit subscribe. And if you're enjoying this video, give it a like so YouTube shows it to more people. Let's start with the egg white chips. Crispy, super light, like insanely light, and the texture really satisfying. But wait until you see the next one. Now it's time for the potato chip. So good. I mean, potatoes rarely disappoint. And with this dip, even better. I honestly wasn't expecting the last one to beat this. Time for the chickpea chips. Okay, this one is on a whole different level. So crispy, so good. If you haven't made these yet, today is the day. Got another healthy homemade chip idea? Drop it in the comments, I might make it. If you're part of the Therapy Cook family, you already know I always have a plan. You do not want to miss the next video. We're making homemade chicken deli meat from scratch with all the little tips that make a big difference. Then we will turn it into amazing salad with a super high protein dressing, so you can make the perfect healthy lunch. Until next time, take care.